I'm here at ISE with Leo from Unilumin. Now, I've been hearing a lot about the Natural series of products that you've got. Is there something you'd like to tell me about them?
Yeah, absolutely. So the Natural, it's a new product category for LED, something that Unilumin has pioneered and introduced to the marketplace. Effectively, we take our existing chip-on-board products and we have all of the existing layers of resins and films that we put over anyway for our normal production process. We then add another layer on top, which we call the nano-optical layer, and this gives it the visual appearance of natural materials. So when the screen is not displaying content, when it's in its off state, no longer does it look like just a black slab of plastic on the wall. It can now look like wood, like marble, stone, or concrete, even polished concrete. We have a range of standard finishes, which can be seen here on the booth, but we can also customize this. So if a designer comes to us and says they need a particular grain of wood or a particular type of stone or marble or anything, we can actually customize the product at the production stage to represent that demand from the designer.
Let's jump on to reliability and talk about that.
Sure.
You know that's really important for your partners and the guys who are out in the field. You've got U-Shield. Could you tell us more about U-Shield and how that kind of puts everybody's minds at ease?
Absolutely. So U-Shield is a new technology we've introduced for our rental products, both indoor and outdoor. It's a slightly different approach between the indoor and the outdoor in terms of the technical details of how we do it. But the end result is the same, which is we're making the rental products a lot stronger. So they can survive impacts, they can survive knocks, vibrations, the continual handling that rental cabinets have to endure. We're making them twice, 3 times, 5 times stronger, depending on which particular model we're looking at, and we can reduce damages up to 90%. The critical thing here is if we're reducing the damage, we're reducing the time that an operator needs to service and to maintain these screens. Obviously their stock is ready for deployment straight away. We're making their turnaround times faster, and then we're delivering a bigger impact to their return on investment on the stock.
Talking about partners and helping them out, talking about the channel, right, I heard that there's some distribution products from Unilumin that are now available. Could you expand and tell us more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So that is correct. So this is a new departure for Unilumin for the international business. So we have our direct sales products, which you can see behind us here and around the booth, but we also have distribution products. And the idea with the distribution products is that they are slightly more cost effective. They are certainly suitable for most everyday projects, and they will be held in stock by our local distribution partners around the world. So when customers need to get hold of a product quickly but know that it's very high quality, it's come from Unilumin, the biggest factory in the world, but also very sensibly priced with quality engineering, but they have immediate availability in their territory. So we want to make sure that we're providing our products to that use case and to that market need as well.
Leo, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you very much.